In this video I'm going to review to you a book. In this book you will find powerful secrets for your financial freedom. Now is the time for you to be financially free from being broke. Read your way to the top of your career because knowledge is power. There are many financial books out there, but if you have not read this book yet, then you are missing out. This book will help you become financially free from being broke if you follow the guidelines. It was first published in the 1920s and has since become a popular resource for those looking to improve their financial knowledge and skills. The book is set in ancient Euphrates and uses parables and stories to teach financial principles and strategies. It covers a wide range of topics, including saving, budgeting, investing, and debt management. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of saving a portion of your income and investing it wisely in order to achieve financial security and prosperity. It also emphasizes the importance of having a plan for your financial future and being disciplined in sticking to that plan. There are several reasons why you might consider reading it. 1. It offers practical financial advice. The book is filled with practical financial advice and strategies that can help you improve your financial situation and achieve financial security and prosperity. 2. It's an easy-to-understand resource. The book uses parables and stories to teach financial principles and strategies, making it an easy-to-understand resource for those who may be new to personal finance. 3. It covers a wide range of financial topics, including saving, budgeting, investing, and debt management. This makes it a comprehensive resource for anyone looking to improve their financial knowledge. 4. It's a classic. The book has been a popular resource for personal finance enthusiasts for decades, and is often considered a classic in the field. It is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial knowledge and make informed decisions about their money. And here are 10 quotes from the book. 1. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. 2. Wealth, like a tree, grows from a tiny seed. The first copper you save is the seed from which your tree of wealth shall grow. The sooner you plant that seed, the sooner shall the tree grow. 3. The gold that is saved is the gold that earns more gold. 4. The man who seeks to learn more of his craft shall be richly rewarded. 5. The most efficient worker is not the one who does the most work, but the one who does the work most efficiently. 6. The wise man does not permit himself to be drained of his savings. 7. It is the working of a well-laid plan, not the chance of a lucky hit, that brings wealth. 8. The wise man will save at least 1/10 of his earnings to provide for the unforeseen future. 9. The man who seeks to learn more of his craft shall be richly rewarded. 10. The more of wisdom we know, the more we may earn. Here is the book. The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic personal finance book written by George S. Clason. If you would like more updates on personal financial growth, tips, and how to make money online, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Watch my next video to see what I have in store for you.